I'm by the name Mark Sharaf Kua. My stage name is Black Millie. I'm a musician based in Kakuma Refugee Camp. I'm a founder of Kinkland. Kinkland is a collection of all the artists in Kakuma Refugee Camp from different nations. We come with one idea of coming with the songs that inspiring, motivating, and giving more inspiration to the youth inside and outside the community and outside the Kakuma Refugee Camp. And for me to apply for this fellowship, it gives me hope of knowing that it will explore my talent, and at the same time it gives me ideas further for my crew to get the movement above the level. Because as a refugee, we only know that we have only chance of being here, but all along through this fellowship we will be having hope that we go to the world. Thank you so much.